Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they all try to catch them unawares.
One morning, when the bananas were doing their cleaning...
Bananas!
Lulu!
I want to invite you to a barn dance at the farm tonight!
Ooh, we'd love to come!
I want everyone to come! But I've been so busy getting everything ready, I haven't invited Rat yet! Oh, dear!
We're going to the shop this morning, Lulu.
So we'll invite Rat to the barn dance.
Oh, would you, Bananas? I don't want to miss anybody out, because at a big woo barn dance, everybody is welcome!
But when the bananas got to Rat's shop, it was shut.
Oh, Rat must be delivering groceries, B1.
Oh, dear. And we're supposed to invite him to the barn dance, B2.
Oh, we better find him. B1?
Oh, no. These things aren't for you, Maggie. The Teddies have ordered lots of extra groceries today.
Rat! 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 Oh, hello, Maggie. Have you seen Rat in a hat, Maggie?
I think she's saying he went to the beach, B2.
Oh, come on, B1. We might just catch up with them there.
But first, we should invite Maggie to the barn dance, B2.
Quite right, B1. Everybody's welcome.
Maggie, please come to the Teddy's big woohoo barn dance tonight.
Fine, Maggie. We'll see you there.
Bye, Maggie.
Oh, I can't stop and talk, Tolstoy. Thomasina, the Teddies have put in a special grocery order.
Good morning, tortoises. Have you seen Rat in a hat today?
This way, come on.
Oh, B1, shouldn't we ask the tortoises?
Oh, yes. Everybody's welcome, B2. Tolstoy and Thomasina, please come to the big whoa barn dance tonight.
We should ask the farm animals too.
Everybody's welcome. Come on.
But the bananas forgot all about inviting Rat.
Everybody, I've got the balloon!
Balloon?
And I've got the streamers!
Streamers?
And I've got the music!
Music?
Anything we can do to help, Lulu?
Did you invite everybody, Bananas?
We certainly did, Lulu. Maggie's coming, and the tortoises.
And all the farm animals.
Great! Let's go and set up!
Oh, it must be a big party with balloons and streamers and music. But nobody invited me. Oh, cheese and whiskers.
That night, everybody was out at the farm for the big barn dance. Well, almost everybody.
Where's Rat in a hat?
Oh, we can't start without him. Oh, Bananas! Rat did say he was coming.
We forgot to invite him, Lulu.
Oh,
Dear.
Rat!
Oh, I'm sorry, Bananas. The shop's closed.
But we came to invite you to the barn dance.
Really? You really want me to come?
Of course we do, Rat. Because at the big whoa barn dance, everybody's welcome.
2, 3, 4, take your partners by the hand.
When everybody was finally there, they all had a wonderful time.